Welcome back. Welcome to the Eagle's Nest. I am the Eagle fan. I react to stuff. That's what I'm doing here tonight. Sorry, I just wanted to change up that little opening just a little bit. In this video, I am reacting to a new song, new video by Infected Rain. The song is Because I Let You. I know the name of this group. I don't know if I've reacted to them before. This is a quick, off-the-cuff idea of a reaction, just scrolling through my homepage, saw that video and said, let me go. That name sounds familiar. I may have reacted to them before, or they might just have videos on my save for watch later as ones that I've planned on reacting to but haven't. So I'm curious. I don't know what to expect. Don't know what to expect about the group. If I have reacted to them before, I apologize for not knowing what to expect. But that's just my memory now, I guess. One of those things I got to deal with. Let's get over to this other screen. There we go. Let's do this. Okay, I'll stop there. Didn't want to stop with other parts there on the screen. This slaps. I don't know if I'm using that term correctly or not. This definitely hits hard. I think I kind of needed that. It's been one of those weeks. Needed a little something extra there. Let's keep going.
Version of with petals red. It feels so good, it hurts so bad. Like a double-ended sword. So much work with no reward.
Okay. Let's go over here and talk. I had no idea what to expect there. Some of the visuals in there I wasn't really overly fond of, but that's just me. I did like how the song just really hit. I'm going to have to go back and go through the lyrics a little bit more to get a better idea of the song. Closed captioning wasn't an option. I would be very interested to see what the lyrics are. So I'm going to go check them out at some point in time here, get a better idea. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on the group. Let me know your thoughts on this song. Let me know your thoughts on the lyrics. Definitely a little bit of a bizarre video. But I gotta say, I liked that power that it was hitting me with. I needed that. I definitely needed that. If you guys wouldn't mind, we do a little YouTube housekeeping here. A like, comment, subscribe, click on that little bell if you want to know when I have a new video out. It's always appreciated. Never pressured, though. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you if you made it this far. I definitely appreciate that. And please, be good to each other out there. We need more of that. No cutting people open like in that video there. That wasn't being good to somebody. Find an act of kindness, pay it forward. Let's do something big here and make this world better. Tired of wars, tired of bigots, tired of religious zealots and extremists. Let's show them that real world, everyday people really need to be the ones to run this world. Let's make it happen. Anyway, I will get off my soapbox here. Thank you guys again. Until next time, please. Please? Till next time, everybody. Take care. And keep your eyes to the sky.